Today marks the grand opening of the Pine Rest Pediatric Center of Behavioral Health.
It is a big deal as it includes the state's first pediatric psychiatric urgent care center and other resources for families dealing with mental health challenges.
I visited and took a tour of the new facility to learn more about the difference it will make.
They are going to get amazing care. It's really exciting.
A dedicated space just for kids to receive behavioral health care. The Pine Rest Pediatric Center of Behavioral Health opens to patients starting Monday. This space filling a need for children in West Michigan.
During the pandemic, where the need for child and adolescent behavioral health needs was growing, there was a growing need. Kids were suffering more. There was more difficulties with suicidality, depression, anxiety.
The need has increased so much. Some families sought care in other places during their child's mental health crisis.
At one point at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital, we had 40 kids admitted in the hospital for psychiatric and behavioral care because there was simply not enough beds in the community.
This facility has the specialized care they need. Just to name a few, it includes 66 inpatient beds, an eating disorders program, outpatient programs, speech therapists, physical and occupational therapy, specialized care for neurodevelopmental disorders, and the state's first pediatric psychiatric urgent care center.
There's just a lack of providers in the community to see kids soon enough in an outpatient setting. And so the ability for parents to bring their kids without having to call ahead, without having to schedule an appointment, where they can see a social worker, they can see a psychiatrist, start medications, change their medications, can avoid that crisis from getting to that point in the first place.
Governor Gretchen Whitmer applauded the hospital's mission and said the state helped fund $50 million from 2 state budgets to get to this day.
This is a crisis that doesn't observe any geographic lines or any partisan lines, and that's why it was so important for us to find common ground. I'm glad we were able to do this, and like I said, I wish we were in a position to do tenfold what we've done here, but we'll continue to work at it.
Plus, the space is designed with kids in mind, built to look like they're walking right through the hollow of a tree in the forest. There's a space for families with the Ronald McDonald House family room, and of course, keep an eye out for Sully, the facility dog.
It's specifically built for that. It has an environment that's going to serve kids well. They'll feel safe, they'll feel welcome, it'll feel fun, it'll be tailored to that.
Inpatient admissions and urgent care visits will be open Monday, March 23rd. Outpatient appointments and partial hospitalization program services begin on March 30th.